Hey guys, in this video, how to download Urban VPN extension in Chrome, add it the right way. So here we go. So there's two ways to do this. First way of doing this is by going to your Chrome Web Store. Just type Chrome Web Store, then you'll be located right here. Then type in Urban VPN, Urban VPN proxy. There we go. Then click Add to Chrome. Second way is just typing Urban VPN right here. The most easiest way you could do, type it Urban VPN, press Urban VPN, press on free, download, then click on add to Chrome. There you go. Add extension. Easy as that. Now we just have to wait for a few seconds. There we go. Now it's added to extension. You can right click. Once you right click, click on pin. So now it's pinned. So whenever you're gonna press on that right there, on the pink thingy, the logo of them, this will now appear. So once this is appeared now, you can just use it. So as you can see right there, it's loading, still downloading a few stuff. So just gonna make it wait. We're just gonna make it down. We're just gonna make it download whatever doing. Yeah, that's about it. That's how you know a bit. If you want to remove it as well, right? For example, right here, you can click on manage extensions. Right here, you can remove extensions if you want to remove it. Then click on remove. There you go. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do it, guys. I hope you actually do enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, dapat ako siya malo, guys. And a quick tip, for example, you didn't pin it and you want to pin it, just press on this one right there, this logo right there. You'll be able to see it, then just click on pin once you want to find it. So there you go, guys. I hope you actually do enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, dapat ako siya malo, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible, and thank you, guys.